As the co-founder of a company that treats snoring and the wife of a former snorer, I get asked all the time, hey, what can I buy to stop my husband from snoring? And let me just start by saying women snore too. Snoring is an equal opportunity affliction. But for this purpose, I'm going to talk to you about your husband snoring because I've been there and I know how hard it is. So my first recommendation is to talk to your husband about the snoring. Remember, it's the snoring that's the enemy, not your husband. Get him on board with trying something. Help him to understand the exhaustion, the relationship stress, all the ways that it's impacting your sleep and your days together. The second thing I recommend is to measure it. ZQuiet offers a free app where you can actually measure the sound of the snoring. So it's not a he said, she said thing. It's here's a fact. This is how loud the snoring is. And the best thing about that is that then as you try different solutions, you can measure how effective they are. Now, in terms of solutions, if you do a simple Google search, how to stop snoring, there is just a ton of information and products out there. My first recommendation to treat snoring is always a mouthpiece. And that's because anti-snoring mouthpieces pull your lower jaw forward. That opens the airway and stops that tissue from vibrating, which is the snoring sound. They're called mandibular advancement devices. They have been used for decades by dentists and doctors. They're absolutely proven effective. I always recommend starting with a mouthpiece. And then layering on other solutions, such as a nasal dilator, which is not the tape that pushes your nose down, but rather something that goes inside the nose, props it open. And that really does wonders for giving your husband more air while he's sleeping and dissolving any of those, external nasal snoring sounds. And then finally, positional therapy is like a pillow or something that will prop him on his side. If you're the kind of person that's constantly like nudging your husband because when he sleeps on his back, he snores loud, positional therapy is something that can keep him on his side, which should greatly reduce the snoring sound. So those are some of my basic recommendations. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. I wish you luck on your journey to communicating with your husband, measuring the snoring, and trying a few things to get it treated so that you can sleep soundly together and happily. Thanks for listening.